Main reason to use them is to fill empty negative space of composition after all letters have been written. Their role is exclusively in merging all elements together and glue them in one single piece. Each type of them serves their unique purpose and should be used in certain situations. Approach them as a makeup. It enhances, but it should be used wisely and in line with the whole nature of artwork. Spurs and serifs, small spikes on the side of a letter, squared or clawed add-ons to the bottom edge of main stems or swashes. Used mostly to amplify stability or aggressiveness of the letters. For the side spurs, make sure add them to all letters, same in size and on the same level. Big or small serifs are written with the corner of a nib. Hairlines are decorative thin strokes that also made with corner of a nib. Same as spurs, they should be written on the same level to create effect of seamless writing. They used to water down sharp surfaces of letters and elements. Diamonds are thick square strokes, mostly used for capital letters with a straight hairline, either on the sides of a word to make it appear wider. Swashes are extensions of a base of main stem, its ascended or descended elements. It helps to fill space that some letters lack by default. Teardrops are hairlines with the small dots that added for letters E, R, and C to fill empty space inside them. Cross lines. Crosses letter with a thin or thick stroke to make letter look more sophisticated and recognizable in the text. Can be decorated with serifs to avoid dark spots. Flourishes are white swashes combined with hairlines to resemble flowering. Used in order to make strong foundation for a word or to create more detailed capital letters, as well as more complex swashes. Dot splashes. Even if you use all previous decorative elements, sometimes piece can look still too sharp and too uptight. So by beating top side of the pen on your finger, you can add couple or multiple dot splashes. Spike heads are decorative tops of stems that used to add more originality for the letters. Custom stem is a general sophistication of main stem that is achieved by adding more elements to it. Grunge, glitch, and warp. A variety of techniques can be used for Gothic calligraphy or lettering in order to distinguish one artist from another. Some uses their own form of letters, some develop unique approach in writing. Grunge enhances Gothic form to appear more medieval and aggressive. It's achieved by short, rapid movements of a pen. glitch achieved by leaving what's important in letter and bending all what left like a spoon in matrix. Warping of letters is when you bend elements of it in order to fill space in a word, or exaggerate certain aspects of it.